Photoshop 3D effect tutorial. How to make your image photos 3D in Adobe Photoshop CC completely.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so step 1 is to drag the image that you would like to use in Adobe Photoshop CC. The next step is to duplicate your image, or click Ctrl J on your keyboard, and then lock the image right here. And then the duplicated image that we now have, adjust this and resize. The next step is to right click on your image and click blending options, and then copy the following presets or settings. Add a drop shadow, and here are the presets. Feel free to adjust this accordingly to what you like, but this is what's going to make the image 3D effect insane in my opinion. The next step is to click bevel and emboss, and here are the settings, contour, and then texture. With your image still selected or highlighted, click the up arrow key and then the right arrow key, and then Control Shift and Alt or Command on Mac all at the same time. And as you can see, we just duplicated the image. Do that one more time. Control Shift Alt and T all at the same time, and keep doing this until you're happy or satisfied with the desired results. And as you can see, it's looking more like a 3D image. Once you have all your images duplicated, you want to highlight the previous image or the current image. Scroll down until you find the original or the copy, and then hold Shift on your keyboard and click, and it highlights all of the images. And then right click and click Convert to Smart Object. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.